everyone, Kiwi Matt back again. Song I've got for you today is from a new band. They're called Hellgarden. The song is Making Noise, Living Fast. Looking forward to this one, guys. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Leave a comment down below once you've done watching. And yeah, let's get it. Oh, yeah, boy. Oh, galloping. Great driving song, guys. Oh, lead guitar. It's Martin Henderson, guys, Kiwi. Well, there you go, guys. That was Hellgarden, Making Noise, Living Fast. Let me know down below what you guys thought. I noticed, you know, they're very heavily influenced by Texan heavy metal, you know, those bands like Pantera and that came out of that Texas metal scene. Very drivey kind of metal. You know, they speed up and slow down and stuff. Really good. Really, I really enjoy that kind of. You know, it's almost like workout kind of metal. You'd have your headphones on. You'd be doing your workout. You know, it's that driving kind of thing. So yeah, no, awesome. You know, let me know what you thought down below, guys. That'd be awesome. Thanks, guys, for the support, watching the videos and such. You've guys been really good. You know, I really appreciate you guys hitting that like button. You know, and the new subscribers that have come on board. Welcome to the Kiwi Mat train. You know, we just keep churning them out, guys. You're along for the ride now, so yeah, enjoy. If you're new, hit that subscribe button with the bell on to get the latest notification for the videos. You know, make sure YouTube sends them out to you guys, because otherwise, you know, you've got to go search for them. Got to go get onto my channel and search and see what if I've uploaded. So you know, it's always good to have that bell on. Cuts out the work for you guys. So yeah, awesome. Anyway, guys, I'm going to let you go. Have an awesome week. Stay safe, stay well, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.